The human immune system is a highly complex network of millions of immune cells that protect the body from constant exposure to pathogens and disease. One defense mechanism that has evolved over time is the body's response to yeast. These potentially harmful organisms are initially the target of antibodies, which bind to the pathogen and attract soluble blood proteins called complement to also bind to the target. The complement protein now attracts neutrophils, the most abundant immune cell in the body. Neutrophils are innate immune cells that are part of the body's first line of defense. Special receptors on their surface bind to complement-coated targets. These receptors have a second site that detects and binds beta-glucan, a carbohydrate found in the cell walls of yeast. Both the complement and the beta-glucan binding sites must be occupied for the neutrophil to recognize the yeast cell as a non-self pathogen and kill it. Innate immune cells, like neutrophils, are the body's primary response to foreign challenges. Biothera manufactures and markets patented beta-glucan ingredients that significantly enhance the immune system. Applications include functional foods, nutritional supplements, cosmetics, and animal nutrition. Taken orally, beta-glucan passes through the stomach and is the right size for uptake through the Peyer's patches, which are specialized regions in the small intestine. In the Peyer's patch, M cells pick up the beta-glucan particles and present them to innate immune cells that transport the beta-glucan to immune organs throughout the body via the lymphatic system. While in the immune organs, macrophages digest the beta-glucan into smaller fragments and slowly release them over a number of days. These fragments bind to neutrophils via the complement receptor, priming them for activity. Activated by beta-glucan, the neutrophils now more quickly navigate to the site of a foreign challenge, a process known as chemotaxis. With the beta-glucan already present, neutrophils need to simply bind to the complement on a foreign intruder to begin killing them as if they were yeast.
If you're like most people, you have probably never heard of beta-glucan. Beta-glucan is a polysaccharide, a natural fiber molecule that comes from yeast, mushrooms, barley, oats, and other fungal forms. Beta-glucan helps to maintain and support a healthy immune response. Scientists have studied beta-glucan and have been amazed at its benefits on the immune system for the last 50 years. All over the world, hundreds of universities have been researching beta-glucan in their laboratories. If you go to PubMed, you will find over 140,000 studies on glucan, with over 30,000 studies focusing on efficacy and safety. The pioneer behind a lot of this beta-glucan research is a man named Dr. Václav Vetvika. With over 200 published peer-reviewed studies, Dr. Vetvika is one of the top immunologists in the world and one of the leading researchers on beta-glucan. The guy literally wrote the book. Dr. Vetvika has actually tested 100 of the best-known immune system products to determine which are the most beneficial for the immune system. There is one product that has consistently outperformed all the competition. That product is Transfer Point's beta-glucan. The research shows that the secret to that product's performance lies in its purity. This product's unique purification process is protected by over 200 patents. And even after this meticulous process is completed, only 10% of batches meet Transfer Point's 93% purity standard. A purity that studies show is 34 times more beneficial than most of the competitors. A purity that makes our product the trusted choice for the immune system. How can we claim this? Because it has been tested, and the science doesn't lie.